Hi, this is INFINIX Hot 30 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and let's check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.